they can flatten out a bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
Hey, you two! I just wrote the most top-gear Parp song.
Oh, that's really fantastic, Diggs! What's a Parp song?
It's called The Sad Little Scooper.
Oh, Diggs, that's really sad.
You can say that again. Diggs, any machine can make up a good Parp song. Maxine would blow your sad little scooper off the mountain. I know. Why don't we have a Parp song contest for all the machines? Let's ask Boza.
Yes, let's.
Oh, Mr. Roundy is doing his best, but this mountain she is very slippy.
We're going to need salt grit to stop Carl slipping.
Oh, well then, Lug, you and I had better go down and get some. If we don't get this ice wall shifted, well, we can't get any further up the mountain.
Is there anything we can do, Boza?
No, Maxine. You just try and keep warmed up until we get back.
Boza, you know what would really warm us up?
Hmm?
A Parp song contest. You and Lug can be judges.
Well, I'd rather you got on with the job, but, well, seeing as there isn't one, then why not?
Oh.
No, this way. How about...
What am I going to do?
Maxine, why aren't you practicing?
Oh, actually, Carrie, I'm not very good at parping.
What? But you're Maxine. You're always good at that stuff.
Oh, I'm okay at little parps. But when I do long ones, I get all nervous. And that's when my parp goes sort of boomy.
Boomy? Okay, listen, Maxine. You're okay with little parps, right?
Right?
So, imagine you're doing lots of little parps, except they're all joined up together.
That's not a bad idea.
You might even be a Parp star.
Oh. I'll be a Parp star.
She's a pop star.
I'll be the biggest star in the land. I'll be a Parp star.
She's a pop star.
And all the names will be in my band.
Yeah!
My records go to #1 the day they're released.
All right.
I'll have to in the top 10 at the very least. I'll be a Parp star.
She's a pop star.
And that's the way it's gonna be. I'll be a Parp star.
She's a pop star.
Watch me when I roll on that stage. I'll be a Parp star.
She's a pop star.
Soon I'm gonna be all the rage. Everyone will envy me, I'll be so now. Look at Maxine, they will say she knows how to be a Parp star.
She's a pop star.
And that's the way it's gonna be.
I'll get this cleared for the Parp concert.
Oh, well done, Diggs.
Oh, thanks, Gooch. It's no problem.
So I'll clear here for the stage, and you do up there for the judges, Diggs. In we go.
Oh, sorry.
Mind
Make way for the
snow on my
bunting.
sledge, Diggs. You're better chicker, you. Come on, Carrie, let's get up the bunting.
Here come the judges.
Well, I suppose we shouldn't be too harsh.
Oh, I don't know.
Let's have a warm welcome for Carl the Crane.
Thank you, Harry. Now, I would like to perform for you Mr. Poop Poop Goes to Town. Visser, unter.
Carrie, I really can't do this.
Yes, you can, Maxine.
Unter.
And it's over to you, judges.
Oh, very good. Plug?
Put it this way. If Mr. Poop Poop came to my town, I'd move.
What? Oh, I have never been so insulted in all of my mileage. Never.
Oh, dear.
Okay. And now for Diggs!
Oh, dear.
Better luck than me.
Hi. I'd like to take the tempo down a bit now with my sad little scooper.
Next.
What?
Oh, Plug?
Oh, come on. If I had a rivet for every time I heard a pop song about a sad little scooper. Oh. Next.
Whew, tough room.
Oh.
And now for sweet little Scooch.
Little Scoochie.
Come on, Scoochie. Go on.
Maxine, don't worry. Luck will be fine for you and Scooch.
Luck told me not to give up my day job.
Oh, no.
Come on.
Oh, Maxine, I really wouldn't bother.
See what she means by booming.
Oh, no. Oh.
What just happened?
Where's the ice wall?
Well, Maxine's Parp song must have shifted it. She saved us a whole day's work, and tomorrow we can move on up the mountain.
Oh, thank you, Carrie.
Thank you, Maxine. I never realised that giving advice was just as good as getting it.
Plug? Before we move on up the mountain, I think there are a few machines that would like to, discuss your judging.
No, I think we should move on up the mountain now.
What do you mean, don't give up my day job?
Leave town, huh?
They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.